again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow green onions. See, every time you buy green onion from the store, see, I bought 2 bunches of green onion from the store. You want to save the white part right here, so you can put in a plastic cup. Just put in a plastic cup with a little water. This way you can grow it back, so you don't have to go to the store and buy it again. So basically just chop up this part right here, and just most of the time most people just use the green part, and the bottom part right here with the roots. You see the roots, the white part right here, just save it. Chop this part off, and this I'm going to show you how to grow it. Then what you need to do is just like a plastic container right here, fill it with water, just a little bit of water, and you just toss it in there, and in just about a week or so, I have 2 over here. See, just about a week or so start to grow already. Now this is about 1 week. This is about 2 weeks right here. So every time you need green onion again, just snip up, snip some off right here. Just cut some off and use it, so you don't have to buy green onion every week. So if you have 3 cups like this, you can you have plenty every time you need green onions. So let's save you time and money running to the store. And once in a while, see the water a little murky, just pour it out and change water. Just once in a while, just empty it out and put some fresh water in there. Look at the roots to start to grow already. See, this is all you need, just water. You don't need dirt or anything. Just fill a little bit of water, the same thing. The water's a little murky, just empty it out. That's it. So this is from here, from this to that. Look at that. You can save a lot of money. So if you have 3 cups like this, they all have green leaves like this. Every time you need them, just chop some off and use them, and save a lot of money and time. So that's an easy way to grow green onions. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up, and hit the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Thank you very much. And if I have any more tips next time, I'll show you. So thank you. Bye bye.